this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ford F-250 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.2 liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do got that mud flap. I'm walking pretty slow because I don't want to slip. Got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do have a bed liner and tailgate step. We do have a nice gripped running board, trailer tow mirrors that have blind spot detection, turn light indicated and spotlight. And moving to the front real quick, we do have tow hooks, aftermarket LED light bar, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space. That's your 6 additional seat with your 12 volt and 2 cup holders. And of course you can lift up the seats for additional space, and we do get a flat fold storage system. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have mostly powered seats, with this being the only manual part. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front. Got your parking brake pedal adjusters and lights all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 169,000 kilometers. Oh, sorry, 169,459 kilometers. Here we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, volume, playback, play forward, mode. We have our mute, voice and phone, cruise control, and toggle for your screen, which you can then go through display mode, trip and fuel, towing, off-road, and other settings. To my right, we have our cup holders, storage, more storage underneath, your 6 additional seat that does have storage underneath as well. Storage right here with a USB-C and a 12 volt, trailer brake, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. You have your climate controls there, storage in the glove compartment, and you do get storage above, volume tune, 12 volt, and 120. Here we have our traction, hazards, and lane keep, and storage above with 6 upfitted switches that you can set up however you please. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our home, which does have station, compass, phone, all that. You have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You got your phone, any apps you may have downloaded, and your settings. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA73200A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.